Okay, so the final series on how to create a transaction in back office is how to create a seller's transaction. So someone is selling a property and you have discussed this, you're about to get a listing, so you now need to find the listing documents and all the other documents you need, and you need to create the transaction. So let's get into it. As we know by now, or you should know because I assume you watched video 1 first, we go top right, create transaction. We don't have the MLS number yet because we are about to enter it into the MLS. So we go create new. We know this now, it's a traditional sale. Status is active. We're about to get the listing. We are representing the seller. The address is whatever the address is. We know this because we've been discussing it with them. The red fields have to be filled in, as you guys know. Price, we know what the price is, $500,000, because we've discussed this. Then we have already negotiated the commission, so we know it's going to be 5% of price sold. You see here, price sold, and 2.5% on each side, or whatever it may be. It may not always be exactly the same, but you guys understand that. We go next. We need to put in the seller's details, and we know this by now. You start typing. If his name doesn't come up, he's not in the database, keep typing, put his name in. You go to create new, it fills in his name, pre-populates it, super easy. Put in his email address, and you will never have to do this again because he'll be in the database, and we can send it for e-signing and all that stuff right from here. So we do that. As usual, don't worry about these things, just create the contract. It's David Blaine, that's who we're representing. We go next. Now, as we know, we need to go to our checklist. This should be quite familiar by now. We go to our checklist, and what are we doing? We are creating a for sale listing contract. It's quite self-evident. Click on for sale listing, create the transaction. We're super familiar with this by now. We go into our checklist, and there are all the documents that you need. The seller's disclosure form, critical. I mean, we will run through this in another video. The listing agreement, which is the most important thing because that's what you need first before you can add this into the MLS. Right, that's it for this one. Hopefully after those 4 examples, everyone is super familiar with how to do this. And yeah, I'll see you in the next videos where we start discussing filling in the individual contracts. Okay, bye.